Hey there guys, how's it going? What we're going to be talking about is the Aleve tablets with naproxen sodium. Yeah, the naproxen sodium is a good painkiller. This is what this is for. It says for to relieve pain and to reduce fever. Okay, now I use these for just the minor everyday, well, not every day, the very common little tiny headache if you have one. Like sometimes you're a little stressed out, or you have tension or something like that, or just something's bothering you, and you just feel kind of some pressure in your head, just a little bit of a headache. I'll take one of these, 220 milligrams this is. I'll take one of these and it will do the job as far as taking away that pain. Okay, but in no way are you, well, in my opinion, to use these for heavy duty migraines, okay, headaches, anything like that. When I use these, this is for very, very mild headaches. It's not good for, like, if you have that real angry pounding in your head, like right above one of your eyes or something like that, where it just feels like there's a fight going on in your skull. This is not for you, not for that. In my opinion, I get migraines every now and then. I tried this for my migraine and it didn't work. My migraine just laughed at this. So, and it doesn't say leave migraine anyway, so it's not really made for that, but it is for pain relief. But just don't think it will work well for a migraine pain. It's for minor pains, or if you're, having like pain anywhere in your body, this doesn't have to be a headache. It works for that. But I actually, when I tried it with my migraine, I only took one. Maybe if I took two, it might have worked better, but I usually only take one of these for a regular headache and it works. So when a migraine came along, I still just took one and it didn't feel the same. But they are also very good for reducing fever. If you have like a flu or any kind of a cold or any infection, that might be because of, a tooth or whatever. This is good for that. It's very effective on fevers. I have no qualms with this, driving down a fever down back to normal. I used these a lot when I had the flu last year. I had a bad fever, and this helped a lot. This really got it under control, and this lasts for a good 12 hours. You don't have to wake up in the night and take another one if you're having fever, It's good for that. So minor pains, whatever level of fever you have, this will take care of it. Yeah. Like I said, I only take one, and that does the job. So it's good. I've used Aleve for minor headaches for probably going on about maybe 2 years now. Because before I used to use a different brand, and it kind of worked around the same way, in the same amount of, taking the pain away. But I couldn't find the one that I used to take anymore. So I had to try to get a new one. And that's exactly what I did. And Aleve is not very expensive, so I would get this one just for the reasons I said. I mean, it's a good painkiller and for allergies. It doesn't cost that much. There's a lot of other brands out there that cost way more. And yeah, it does the job, and I've been using it for a while, and I'll keep using it as long as I have these tiny headaches. Remember, not the big crazy migraines. You need to get something stronger for that. All right. Well, I'm glad you guys listened to this information. I hope you use it. This is the Aleve tablets with naproxen sodium, 220 milligrams. All right. Well, okay. I will talk to you guys later again soon. Okay. Bye-bye.